Yet another delay in the trial related to the 1982 kidnapping and murder of the COSAS 4 anti-apartheid activists. It was expected to commence in the Johannesburg High Court this morning. Christiaan, Siebert, Rorich and Thlomedi, Ephraim, Mfalapitsa are facing charges of crimes against humanity, of murder and crimes against humanity of apartheid. The commencement of trial was postponed for the third time.
The long-awaited 1982 trial of the COSAS 4 was expected to begin this morning here at the Johannesburg High Court. However, the matter was once again postponed, this time to allow for both parties to file their affidavits with regards to the other charges within the case. The matter was set down to begin last year in October. This is actually 4 decades since the actual incident took place. These charges are related to the death of 4 Congress of South African students who were led into a home where they were then bombed. I want to bring in the NPA's Christiaan to speak to us with regards to why we saw today's delays and what is the way forward with regards to the matter. But let's start with, we were in court earlier, a brief proceedings, and now once again moved to June. What was the reasons given with regards to that delay?
Well, it is disappointing that the accused before court are delaying this matter. They are bringing every tactic that you can think of into delaying these proceedings. And we are saying that as the NPA because they waited from January. And only last week, when they knew that the matter is in court this week, only last week they decided to file, to notify the state that they'll be filing documents to object to the charge sheet. So they are challenging some of the charges, saying that the state cannot charge them under the international law. However, they had from January, and we are now in May, in the middle of May. So as the state, we feel that they are delaying this matter unreasonably so, and it is unfair to the members of the deceased. They've been longing for justice. It's over decades, and now that the matter is in court, they were hoping that they can finally get closure. But we are left with no option as the NPA. Should there be further delays, as the court has now indicated that by the 31st of May, all parties must have filed, so that then the judge president can be able to allocate a date to hear the defense's review application. So we are left with no option as the NPA that by the 6th of June, during the case management date that has been set by the judge, if they are not ready, then we'll invoke Section 342A of the Criminal Procedure Act and make our submissions in court that really these delays are unreasonable.
We've heard, your reasons for the delays. We've heard from the accused bringing their reviews. When it comes to the actual trial and the case, how certain is the NPA with their case? Do you have a watered-out case? And are you confident that you will get a positive outcome from the courts?
We are ready to proceed as the NPA. We have our witnesses lined up. However, these delays are also of concern to us because most of our witnesses are aging and some of them are suffering due to ill health, and therefore such delays do not work in our favor as the state, because we really want to make sure that this matter is finalized and speedily so, for the sake of justice as well as the families of the deceased.
Thank you so much. That was NPA's Christiaan speaking to us here outside the Johannesburg High Court this morning. We've been here where the beginning of the COSAS 4 trial was expected to begin, and it's been ongoing delayed. Hearing from the state that should there be more delays come the 6th of June, they will bring to the court an application saying that there's been unreasonable delays by the defense. But for now, the matter stood down till the 6th of June for case management, for the accused and the defense to bring their reviews and their applications, and the matter will once again be here in court come June.